I'm Law&Crime's Buckmire, and these are today's top legal and sports stories here on the Fubo Sports Network. 1 week after she pled guilty to drug charges, two-time Olympian and WNBA player Brittney Griner was back in court. 3 witnesses testified on her behalf: a teammate, the team doctor for her Russian team, and the director of the Russian Basketball League. Griner is still expected to testify in her own defense, even though she told the court she possessed the less than 1 gram of hash oil when she accidentally packed the 2 vials in her luggage. The 3 witnesses acted as a character witness, pointing to Griner's leadership on the court and in the community in which she played, working with youths and in animal shelters. The doctor also testified to her negative drug tests. Testimony is expected to continue into August. Ex-Las Vegas Raider Henry Ruggs appeared in court for the first time since being arrested in a deadly DUI crash, where a judge denied his motion to exclude his blood alcohol results. According to prosecutors, Ruggs was driving 156 miles per hour with a blood alcohol content twice the legal limit at 0.161. That's when he hit Tina Tintor and her dog, killing them both. Ruggs and his passenger were seriously injured. Ruggs is charged with DUI resulting in death, reckless driving resulting in substantial bodily harm, and possession of a gun while under the influence. Justice of the Peace Ann Zimmerman disagreed with Ruggs' attorney that the officers did not have probable cause to take a blood sample, and so it will be used against him in court, where he faces 2 to 50 years in jail. A Tennessee man that was serving a life sentence after being convicted of killing former NBA player Lorenzen Wright was sentenced to lesser charges. Billy Ray Turner was sentenced to 25 years in prison on charges of conspiracy and attempted murder charges for his March 21st conviction of the fatal shooting of Wright. Turner was already serving 16 years on a gun charge. When all the math is done, the 51-year-old Turner is essentially sentenced to life in prison plus 41 years with a possibility of parole. Those are your top legal and sports stories. Make sure to check out the day's most exciting live trials on the Law&Crime Trial Network, now available with a Fubo TV subscription.